Alright, so if you're watching this video and expecting to see great cinematic, awesome views from the drone, you've come to the wrong video. This is actually what it looks like to fly a drone after you've not flown one for an entire year. I am extremely rusty, just got the drone out of the bag, had recharged all the batteries, and decided to just take it into my own backyard here, which I've never really taken great footage of because our backyard is so tight because of the high trees and close trees and so forth. I'm also very rusty here. You can see with the gimbling. I really need to get some practice on that. We're planning on going on vacation here in a few weeks, and I wanted to break out the drone, make sure it's still operable, make sure all the software is updated, and basic flight controls. I really need to get back into the camera gimbal. It seems like every time I want to go up, I go down. Every time I want to go down, I want to go up, but that'll come with some practice. But this is basically just taking the drone out back, doing a 360 around our house. You can actually get some aerial footage of the driveway that we had redone a few weeks ago that I had put up in another video. This is what it looks like from the air. You can also see that we desperately need to trim the wisteria vine in the back that's growing over the roof of the gazebo. And that's about it, really. Just see my horrible flying skills here that I need to practice up on. Enjoy.